Yogasth. In the series of the past life regression videos, we are just delivering some facts, revealing some facts about the past life regression, its advantages, its benefits, and all. Today, I am going to tell you something about that the people, many of the people, they complain that they are trapped in some situations which keep on repeating every time. The unpleasant situation, or the people, or the circumstances, they keep on appearing in their lives time to time. After every 2 3 years they face the same situation, or after a month, or time spent can be anything. Why does this happen? Why the unpleasant things, unpleasant people, or unpleasant situations come in their lives, and it keeps on repeating? Sometimes they have to shift to some other place. Sometimes they face the same kind of relationship in which they are troubled. They face very unpleasant and unhappy moments, etc. and etc. It is because it is there in your sanskaras. Sanskaras are subtle impressions, mental impressions. But these mental impressions are not subtle all the time. They become physical as well, gross as well. And when they become physical, it comes into your aura. It comes into your physical aura. It comes into it create a atomic circle around you. And because of this, you fall prone to attract such people, such situation, such circumstances in your lives. It is not the people are just seeking you or looking for coming to you. It is you and your aura which is attracting wherever you go. And this is the reason that you face all such things again and again in your life, and you are not getting rid of. So what to do? There are meditations, there are kriyas, tantric kriyas, yogic kriya, the higher awareness kriyas, by which you can get rid of such sanskaras, because these sanskaras are to be purified. The aura of your physical and mental body has to be purified. There must be some work to be done on your chakra and chakra's aura also. So in the next video, though it's a practical side of the thing that you will learn only in the workshop or in the seminar or something like, but I'll be revealing you some more facts about it, why these sanskaras never get unattached to you, because you yourself keep on, or you, I would be saying that you are just thriving upon them. You are not leaving them. So you have to leave them, and there is a way. Yogasth.